Kit's Crows.
Alright, so I'm going in for my closing shift today. Get my glasses. It's gray, but kinda sunny. Oh, there's some. I don't like putting people on camera unless it's just can't be helped. Or if they're in the distance, then I don't think it matters so much. There we go. Alright. Let's get going. Oh, now they notice me as I'm almost gone. Oh, did I kick a rock or something? They were turned the other way and suddenly, oh, get her before she leaves. Did it rain or something? The alleys are all wet. Oh, there's the chickens. Hey, girls. Can I zoom up? Kind of. A little bit. Hey. Well, I gotta go. Alva. There's my boss pulling out just as I'm arriving. I waved to her. So yeah, we're here. Hopefully it's an easy day, or at least I get easy customers. Usually Fridays are pretty chill.
Bye bye!